Hi everyone, I'm here today to share some fascinating insights about a rather unique plant, the Syzygium buxifolium, or as it's commonly known, the box-leaved eugenia. If you're an avid gardener, or even just someone who appreciates the beauty of diverse foliage, this might just catch your interest. Syzygium buxifolium is an evergreen shrub or small tree that's native to southeastern Asia, specifically regions like China, Taiwan, Vietnam, and Thailand. It's a plant that thrives in the lush tropical and subtropical forests of these areas. Imagine a tree that can grow anywhere from 3 to 8 meters tall, with dark green, glossy, and box-shaped leaves that measure about 1 to 3 centimeters long. What makes the box-leaved eugenia particularly special are its leaves. They have a leathery texture and grow in opposite pairs along the branches. During certain times of the year, this plant is adorned with clusters of small, white or pinkish flowers that bloom at the tips of its branches. And if you're lucky, you'll witness the transformation of these flowers into small, round berries that turn captivating purple or black when ripe. Now, let's talk about its uses. Beyond its stunning aesthetic appeal, the box-leaved eugenia is widely cherished as an ornamental plant. Its compact growth habit makes it an excellent choice for gardeners looking to add a touch of elegance through a hedge or a screening plant. While the fruit is edible, it's quite small, but it can be a fun, tiny nibble if you're curious. When it comes to cultivation, Syzygium buxifolium isn't too fussy. It prefers well-drained, acidic soil and can adapt from partial shade to full sun environments. It's also moderately drought-tolerant once it's firmly established. For those looking to grow their own, you can start this plant from seed or cuttings. This flexibility makes it a wonderful addition to a variety of garden settings. So, whether you're considering this plant for its ornamental beauty or just intrigued by its adaptability and ease of care, the box-leaved eugenia is a splendid choice. It's a symbol of resilience and elegance, thriving in a variety of conditions and providing year-round interest with its evergreen leaves and seasonal fruits. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel inspired to perhaps add the box-leaved eugenia to your own garden. It's not just a plant, it's a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of Mother Nature. Happy gardening, everyone.